What's the use of yawning? Why do we yawn? It's not just about being tired or bored. When you yawn, you stretch your jaw, take in a deep breath, and flood your brain with fresh oxygen. Some scientists believe it helps cool the brain, regulating its temperature so it works more efficiently. Others suggest it's an ancient social signal. When one person yawns, others often follow, a phenomenon linked to empathy and group awareness. Yawning might have evolved to keep groups alert and in sync. So, next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's part brain refresh, part social connection.